Hi guys, Gavin here from Play.net, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the Logitech G910 Orion Spark mechanical gaming keyboard. Now this keyboard was only just announced within the past week or so. I got a phone call off Logitech's PR manager asking if I wanted to have a look at it, you know. So yeah, I managed to get myself hold of one, which has been quite hard for a lot of people, but for some reason, you know, we have a good relationship with Logitech, as you could have probably seen when we did the stress testing with the G Gaming series products. But yeah, Logitech have sent me their brand new Orion Spark G910 Gaming keyboard. Now this keyboard features Roma G keys. Now these keys are unique to Logitech. Logitech are the only ones currently using them. This is an UK English layout keyboard, and it has multiple features such as 16.8 million colours. Every single key on this keyboard you can customise the colour, so you can have every single key different, a different shade of a colour, because there is 16.8 million combinations. So yeah, let's actually take a look inside the box and see what we've got. Now the Logitech G910 Orion Spark gaming keyboard features, as I mentioned, Roma G mechanical keys. Now this is obviously demonstrated on the box here. In terms of packaging, the packaging feels really good. It's very solid. Typical though with a mechanical keyboard, as it really needs to be robust because they are expensive, you know. So yeah, we've got the Logitech G Gaming keyboard there. We've got well, what I would say an illustration of the new Roma G mechanical keys, or switches as people would call them. We have the logo at the bottom for the Orion Spark, and obviously the actual illustration of the keyboard itself there, with an illustration of some of the colour combinations that can be used. But yeah, let's take a look inside the box and see what's like in there. So inside the cardboard sleeve of the Logitech keyboard, we have been greeted with another box, which has a very nice look to it, a very nice feel to it, very solid. We have the Logitech Gaming G in general Logitech coloured blue across the middle, but inside we obviously have the centrepiece itself. Now obviously I have actually opened it prior to doing this video, the main reason because when I get something as gorgeous as this in the post, you know, my first instinct is to just open it up, have a play with it, you know, see what it's like, get a feel of it. But yeah, the keys, relatively good. They've got a nice feel to them. These are actually the Roma G Blues. They have got a blue colour to them, so I suggest that signifies that these are like a Cherry NX Blue emulation. But we'll find more about that. So obviously we've got the keyboard inside the box. Upon taking that out, there is only one other thing in the box, other than this plastic mould which keeps the keyboard in place, is the Logitech RGB G910 mechanical game keyboard setup guide. Now this will allow you to set the keyboard up and use a software. Now software doesn't come actually with the keyboard itself on disc or etc. You download it off the Logitech website. Obviously when we have the review live, you'll be able to check it out in the link in the description below. But yeah, let's actually take a look at the keyboard itself and let me go through a few features with you. So taking a look at the Logitech G910 Orion Spark mechanical gaming keyboard, which has an RGB colour factor of 16.8 million different colours to choose from, which is very nice. And obviously, to demonstrate this throughout this section of the video, I'll be running through a couple of different colours so you can see sort of the kind of customisation levels that you can expect from it. Obviously there will be a full review on the Play.net website, which you'll be able to read within the next week or so, which should give you, and that's if the link isn't already in the description below anyway, but in saying that, this is a very nice keyboard. One of the main features of this keyboard, as I have mentioned, is the inclusion of the Roma G mechanical switches, which according to Logitech give a 25% faster actuation than standard Cherry MX mechanical keys. This is also claimed that the keyboard is up to 25% faster than other mechanical keyboards. That I find hard to believe. Could be marketing, but it could be true. Now the individual key lighting is a nice feature from the keyboard itself. Every single key on this keyboard has a different colour. You can set it to the same colour through the Logitech G Gaming software, but obviously it isn't plugged in yet. Now one of the interesting things that I do love about this is the inclusion of the ARC stock. Now what this allows you to do, this allows you to plug in an iOS/Apple iPhone or an Android, which is like a Samsung Galaxy S4 or other sort of compatible mobile phone. You can plug it into this and it displays real-time game information via the Logitech G software. That is a revolutionary type of thing. Obviously, Mad Cats have their own. Logitech have had that with the G510, the G710 previously with the screens, but this is a different league. This allows you to use top-of-the-range components, top-of-the-range mobile phones to give the best possible gaming experience, which is something Logitech Gaming have been quite good with, you know, especially with the mice. We have released a new mouse as well called the G302, which is obviously in line with the Orion Spark, but the Orion Spark is clearly a cut above some mechanical keyboards in the market. I'm not too sure if it competes with the likes of Philco or Ducky, but we'll see how it goes in the testing. But yeah, let's actually go through the colour combinations. Well, I can't go through all through 16.8 million because we'll be here all week, but you know, I'll give you a couple of different, you know, instructions so you can see what it's about. So as you can see, this particular colour mode is called the colour cycle. It allows you to go through all the different colour combinations. Here we have the blue, which is a colour preset. There is different colour presets. And here is the female orientated version, the pink. As you can see, the pink is a very, very hot sort of fuchsia hot pink. And obviously you can customise this through the actual gaming software. So to cap the video off, the Logitech G910 Orion Spark mechanical gaming keyboard is very feature packed. I'm a bit disappointed with the amount of accessories that were included. I mean, well, there was no accessories, there was no keycap puller, but then again, with there being Roma Gs, there isn't any others available. You can't get keycaps like you can with the Cherry NX switches. Now, this keyboard itself, I wouldn't say I'm on the fence. I really do like it. It's really good. It's a really fantastic keyboard. You know, the keys feel absolutely fantastic. Feels very robust. It's very plasticky. I will say that. It does retail for around 169 quid. So, you know, you're looking at about 170 Great British pounds, GBP, quid, squid, millid, whatever you want to call it, moolah. So it's probably going to be over $200 for our US friends, which isn't cheap. This keyboard is not cheap by any stretch of imagination. But then again, you know, Logitech have a following. They've got a brand. They've put some amazing research into this. They've obviously included the ARC's dock release system, which is absolutely fantastic. I will go more in depth in that in the full written review, because obviously these videos are just to supplement our written work. Our written work is our bread and butter. But yeah, touching more on the keyboard itself. 16.8 million colour combination, full RGB keyboard, not to be sniffed at. Corsair's Gaming, like the K70 RGB keyboard retails for about 120 quid. So this is about 40 quid more, but with the extra option of the ARC stock for your smartphone or your iPhone. Roma G keys, something different to Cherry. Very nice to type on, I might add. Macro keys, you know, you've got full key colour customization through the Logitech G software, which is a very nice bit of kit. We have media keys, as I've mentioned, you know, in the review. But this particular keyboard is a really, really good keyboard. Tad expensive, but obviously, I'll see what it's like in the full review. So, thanks for watching, guys. Please like the video, please comment, please subscribe if you want to see more content from us. But yeah, check out the website at www.player.net. I've been Gavin. Thanks for watching, guys, girls. ladies, everyone, animals, dogs, cats, you know, tortoises. Peace you. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and ciao for now.